Hey everyone, welcome to my minimalist home tour. Most of you have already seen my minimalist capsule kitchen video, but if you haven't, I will leave it at the very end of this video so you can check that out. Today we're gonna focus primarily on the living space and the dining room. Come on, let's go see. Welcome to my dining room. I have always wanted to have a real simple dining space, and I have finally made it happen in this new house. The only thing I bought for this home is this table and chairs. And right there on that wall is the one space that I am missing something to add. I haven't found the right artwork for it yet, but other than that, I keep it really simple and clear whenever humanly possible. And to me, it's so peaceful walking into this room, not having to move piles of things, and I can sit right down and have access to my table. Moving on to our living space. One of the big things I really wanted when I bought this house was high ceilings. I'm so happy that worked out. It just feels more spacious, and I feel like I have lots of room. I feel like I can breathe better for some reason. I don't know if anybody else feels that way about high ceilings, so I'm really happy that aspect worked out. That lamp is one of my favorite lamps. It's the one where you can charge something also while you have the light on, and it's just very convenient. This couch, as you know, if you've seen my old videos, this is the same couch I had in my old home along with the coffee table. I basically kept every single thing that I had in my old home and fit it in here as perfectly as I possibly could. Those curtains were hand-me-downs from a friend that I put up temporarily. I don't know if I'll always have them there, but for now they're doing the trick. That is a hallway going downstairs, and here is two chairs that we keep for reading, and they're also pretty cozy. Hey, Buns! Here's kind of an overview. I like to keep it simple, you guys. Simple, cozy, not a lot of clutter, but comfortable when you do have a seat. This is not an official reading nook, but I feel like it's the perfect place to do it. That's a fake plant my mom gave me years ago. Got those candles for a fundraiser, a kid's fundraiser, and then what's in here? Oh yeah, the candy stash. Especially after Halloween, that puppy's loaded. On the left, you'll see my books. On the top and bottom and on the right are some of Kaden's. These are not all our books. These are just some that we keep readily available if we want to grab a book and hang out and read. The bay window is one of my favorite features in the whole house. The cats love to perch on it. I like to look out it. It kind of feels like I'm up in a treehouse. You see how high up we are? I really like that feature too. It kind of feels, I don't know, didn't you always want a treehouse when you were a kid? Here's my TV, and my mom gave me this plant, which I giggled because I'm not really a huge plant person, but I'm grateful for it. This is a wine rack that I never put wine in, but there's a little storage on the right, which I do use. This little side table matches the TV stand. Keep it simple, people. That's the message I like to always share. Keep it simple. Always got to have a throw blanket ready to snuggle up with. And these throw pillows I have had for quite a while. You've probably seen them in most of my videos over the last 2 years. I hope you are enjoying my little tour. I don't like a ton of things on my surfaces, but here are a few things that I like. This is the only thing that I keep out on my kitchen table. Preferably. This doesn't always look like this, you guys. Sometimes this is where things pile up, but just this one little decorative statement that my mom gave me keeps me happy. I like looking at it, so I keep that one thing on the table. That bottle opener my girl Allie made me with the K for KSQUAD. And then I always have a candle burning. This one's called Cozy Knits, and it smells really good. I got that at Kohl's. And then this, collect moments, not things. I mean, what else can I say? Hey, Buns. Buns is trying to do the voiceover with me right now. Yeah, I don't keep a lot of things out. I like to keep it clear for the most part. I'm not a knick-knacky kind of gal. Have I always been this way? Have I always been neat and tidy? If you've watched me for any amount of time, you will know the answer is no, not at all, not even a little. I was a slob. I will leave you some videos down below of how my house can actually get and then what happens when I clear it up. But hopefully that will inspire you to clean up, because it's game changing when you can go from being a slob, which is I am a recovering slob, and into this kind of situation where I feel peaceful, less stressed. There's a lot less clutter in my brain now that there's less clutter in front of me. And which one do I prefer? 100% the minimalist perspective. It makes me feel so much happier. Kaden, we didn't get rid of those ostriches, did we?
No.
We could never, right?
Yeah.
Why do we love those ostriches so much?
Because they're so funny.
They're so funny. We're having some lo mein for lunch. And look at this guy just waiting for something to drop.
Yeah, Buns is especially a vulture.
Babe, what do you feel about having a more minimalist, less cluttered home?
Amazing.
What's your favorite part about having a clean house?
I can actually see where I'm going. And I cannot see a junkyard table. The table looks like a junkyard.
It has looked like a junkyard in the past, hasn't it?
At the old house, the table was a disaster.
All the time. We didn't take as good care of it, did we?
No.
It's much better now, huh?
Yeah. I see you.
Thank you for watching our home tour. We hope you enjoyed yourself. And we will leave some videos of our disaster periods of time in the description below. Maybe we'll leave one up here so you can check out when our house used to be a disaster. And maybe it'll inspire you to not be a disaster.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Hey, one more thing I forgot to tell you before you leave. If you like videos on frugal living, saving money, budgeting, minimalism, please hit subscribe so you can join me the very next time we talk about this, which is literally every single week. I make videos every single Friday morning at 9 a.m. And then I do a live with you every Sunday as of right now, unless something comes up, at 10 a.m. so we can talk about the topic of the week and we can also catch up in person. So I hope to see you then, and hit that thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Thanks, guys. See you then. Love lo mein. It's so good.